Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the domyfan 15.6-inch FHD portable laptop monitor extender. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, first thing we'll find is our user guide. Inside we'll also have obviously the main screen, which we'll have to peel open a little bit, so bear with me. Now on here we'll have kind of the stand that is rotatable, and we'll kind of demo that. It does have a strap to hold it together, and as you can see, this kind of opens up, and this will go. Looks like it needs to, bend a little bit there in order to stand it up. And then it has a little bit of a bend, and I'm trying to figure this out. This is different than the normal ones. So trying to see what this bend is all about. This does extend also. That's a really nice feature because a lot of times that will not actually extend. So real nice feature there. And this is literally bending here. I don't know if you can kind of see right here the bend as it kind of detaches. I'm not sure if that's intentional or what is going on there. But either way, I guess that's fully extended, and that's why. So smaller and larger. And then we'll just bend this back in, close it back up. And then over here, there are some other attachments, other domyfan pieces that I guess this can kind of hook onto. And I'm wondering if this piece comes off. It does. There it is. So this will just kind of connect onto here, which makes for a nice stand beyond, and we'll demonstrate it this way because I think that's an important thing. Sometimes when you're on your actual laptop will be here. This thing kind of floats, and if you can extend, I think that's going to really be helpful. So we'll showcase that in a few moments here, and I'll just leave it standing on the side, which is nice. Talk about the final pieces of this. You'll have all your connection cords. So before we get into it, we'll have a USB-A to USB-C. We'll have USB-C to USB-C, and then an HDMI to a micro HDMI. So we'll put these all back. We'll go ahead and test this out, connected on a table, so you can see it all in action. All right, so this thing looks great. Easy setup. I've got a USB-A to USB-C power connection, and then a USB-C to USB-C cable for the data and the video transmission. Something to note, I tried using third-party cabling to try and test this out, and third-party power, and this kind of flashed when using third-party stuff, or just didn't come through at all. So just be aware that you definitely want to utilize the cables that come with it. Something also to note, this connection actually will pull out, and I'm going to kind of just show you that you can flip this thing if needed to the other side, and that's a nice feature. So like as it gets kind of complicated here, you'll see that little space here. If I want to go upright, and I know I'm not doing a great job of showing this because I'm trying to do this one-handed. But either way, it would fly right into there. There we go. Now, I'm not going to do a good job showing it real quick, but if I needed to, I could adjust that and just plug it in so I have the landscape, or the horizontal version versus landscape. Just showing you that there's mode options, and of course, this would then just spin around and extend out to kind of hold it up a little bit better, like so. So to me, this thing is totally awesome. You can use it to mirror, you can use it as a standalone interface as well. So it doesn't even need to be connected. It can just be a third-party piece. And this will just, kind of bend as needed. I can bend it around for flexibility to get different angles, or I can just simply take it off. As noted, it will extend off, and I don't even need it if I want to use that. So totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.